Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So first we are going to select a sprite. I'm just drawing it first, okay? And then you guys can add it. We're going to select sprite. Select any sprite that you wish. That sprite will have sunglasses. Then we'll have sun. We'll have moon. Moon is going to replace the sun, and the entire screen will go dark. Okay, so we're going to do solar eclipse.
We'll have a ring of fire, no?
Let's see. Okay, so very first sprite has been selected. Okay, then let's select a sprite for sun also. Okay. Then select a sprite for sunglasses also.
Sir, can I make my own sunglasses?
Yes, no problem.
But
Yeah, I will also make.
Are you guys good in drawing now?
Yeah.
Okay. You will create a new sprite for sunglass, or you will change the existing sprite?
No, I'm going to make a new one.
Okay. Devija, are you with us?
yes, sir.
Okay. And the third one will be a moon. So moon, we are going.
1 minute.
Okay. Okay. And the third sprite is a moon. For moon, we are going to make use of paint.
Why moon is not there?
I don't think there is a moon as such. Just check.
But sir, we'll show the moon white or black because in
Black
solar
will show. We'll show it black. So let's
okay,
draw a
because
circle.
in solar eclipse, we don't see the sun.
Okay, so make a moon.
So
Moon
sir, can we make the sunglasses first?
Can we make plus? Please come again.
Sunglasses.
Yes. So if you have time, then you can create sunglasses. If you can quickly make it.
Yeah, just 1 minute. I'll take. But sir, how to then put on the persons?
That you have to drag right on that person.
I think it will be very difficult. Sagarika, are you able to make it?
Yeah, I've made it before, that's why.
Yeah, but it's a little difficult as we don't have the same what we say equality in both them.
I finished making mine.
Okay, very good. Very nice. Okay, now we'll start coding. Everyone has 4 sprites.
Sir, I have to make the moon.
Okay.
Sir, which color should it be?
Black color.
Okay.
Karan, any projects you are doing on your own also or not? Because you are now becoming very fast in Scratch. So you should just think of something
I
and then
make
start
projects.
creating. Okay. And where do you publish it then?
I don't publish, but
Okay. So
I
last
share it to.
time, yeah. So last time I spoke to your father, I told him like how to put it inside an HTML file. So you should
Yeah.
create a website with your name. Okay. In that you can start like adding these projects that you're doing. Okay. So next time when we meet, right? So you should also start sharing and just think about something and then see whether we can do it using Scratch or not.
Sir,
Yeah.
what size should the sun be?
Sun is normal size 100 and the moon also like 100. Just make sure that the moon is just fitting inside the sun.
Sir, it's now that it's 100,
It's too big.
it's big. So I made it 90.
Okay.
I made it 70. So,
Okay, so we will see how it goes, right? So sun size, we can change it whenever we want, correct? Sun and moon size. We'll start coding now.
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Okay,
What
so
that?
who is going to share screen now?
Sir, can I share?
Okay.
Karan, I'm using your idea to
Okay, so we will first code for the astronaut.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever, so now go to motion
Okay.
and drag and drop, go to XY.
Okay.
Okay, so let it be what you have as of now. Okay, because we want the astronaut to be there. Okay,
Okay.
everyone with me?
No, sir.
You will just, for the first sprite, we just want to make sure it is at a particular location when
And
our
sir,
program starts. Yeah.
this time I want so when the astronaut is standing there, so I want the sunglasses to first hide, and then when she finished speaking and the solar eclipse is happening, she'll wear the sunglasses.
Okay, then we have to do a timing thing, which will do it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone done the first thing?
No, sir.
Where you are stuck right now?
Divya can't understand. No, anything. Can't do, sir. Divya can't do. Keep quiet. Anything you're saying.
Divija is very smart girl. She understand everything.
She understand. I don't know what confusion Divya has. But she has any confusion, I don't know, but she has confusion.
Okay. So now let's proceed. Okay. So what we will do, go to looks
Okay.
and drag and drop the C block, the first one.
Okay.
And just write
Which
down
one are you taking as astronaut?
the very first person, right? So Karan has a girl. I'm not sure what you have.
Karan, can you just tell me?
You're able to see because we are right now sharing
Is it
Sagarika.
a Kiran? Is it Kiran?
Yes, Kiran it is.
I am changing the name.
Okay. Hello, I am going to show you what is solar eclipse.
Okay.
Sunny.
Let's make it for 4 seconds. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. You're done for 4 seconds, right? Now let's go to the sun sprite
Okay.
and drag and drop from motion the go to block.
Sir,
Yes. Then do X as 13
Can
and
you
Y.
go back to that astronaut
sir,
sprite?
Yeah.
sir,
Yes, Divija.
sir, can you please repeat one? Sorry.
Okay, so we have just started, right? So you have the sprites with you, correct?
Yeah, I don't know which one is the sprite. Two is that the moon?
No, the very first sprite. Okay, can you share your screen?
Yes, wait. Yes, sir.
Okay, so your first sprite is astronaut. Okay, so go to motion
Yes, sir.
and then go to X, Y block. Just drag and drop that. Go
Which
to
one?
X. Go to X,
Okay.
Y. Yes. Then go to looks and drag and drop save block and just write down like today I'm going to show you. Where is your moon? I don't see your moon also.
Yeah, I've not made it right now. I'm a little
Okay.
back.
Okay. So let's do one at a time. Okay. Let's finish this coding for this sprite.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
in the sun, in the sun sprite, what is X and Y?
X is 13, Y is 93.
Okay.
Okay. And say this for 4 seconds. Okay. Okay. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now go to your sun sprite
Yeah.
and drag and drop from motion.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. From motion,
Yeah.
drag and drop, go to X, Y block.
So after these 10 steps.
No, the move 10 step, you can remove it. We'll only have one block. Go to X, Y. Go to X value will be 13, 1, 3. Y will be 93.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So it will come here. Internet. Light.
Okay. All right. Now we have to code for the sunglasses. So now let's have a sprite sunglasses.
But sir, wait. I have joined and grouped the sunglasses and the.
Okay. So then for others, do you have sunglasses or not? Others. Okay, the person who has sunglasses, please share your screen. So, Devija, you need not code
Sir?
for it.
Sir, I have.
Okay, so one of you can share your screen, please.
Sir, should I share?
Yeah, please share.
Okay. Yes, sir. For sunglasses? Sir?
Okay, yeah, so what we need to do, we have to show this sunglasses after 4 seconds. Okay, so very first thing, when this program starts, the sunglasses should be hidden. So we'll go to looks and drag, hide. Then wait for 4 seconds. Then go to control. Wait for 4 seconds.
Okay.
And then show. Go to looks and show it. Okay. So the idea is after that person has spoken, then only the solar eclipse will start. So we will show them that person is wearing the sunglass.
Okay.
Karan,
Sir,
you
should
with
I
me?
put a green flag?
Not yet. I'll let you know. Okay. Karan, you have done this? Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to do coding for the moon. So everyone has added the moon.
Yes, sir.
Sir, just 1 minute. I'll
Okay.
I'll just take 1 minute. Sorry for it.
Sure, no problem. Okay. Let Karan share the screen now then.
Okay.
Okay, Karan. Now let's code for the moon. Okay. Where is your moon? Okay. All right. So now, very first thing, go to looks and drag and drop clear graphic effects. Very first would be clear graphic effects. Then there would be something called a set.
Sir, what is the code for moon?
Very first block is clear graphic effects.
Okay.
So just 1 minute. I'm ready for that. I just need to code.
Okay.
Sir, so we'll make like this. Then it comes from down or like side, and then slowly it goes. Then it makes the ring of fire, and like that, it makes give us sun. We can say.
Yes, that's correct. So we'll try to do all those things, but we are now starting it, right? So let's see how it turns out. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
So-
should we put brightness?
No. So first one is clear graphic effect. The second one is set ghost effect to 50.
Okay.
So sir, where in which one is it?
In looks. So if you see
Okay,
the
thank you,
color,
sir.
right? Purple color is there, right?
Okay.
Then drag and drop motion block. In the motion, go to motion. Drag and drop, go to XY block. Say X as 130, 130, Y as 93.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we are saying clear graphic effect, then we are saying set dash. So what will the place in dash?
Dash. I'm not getting it. Come again.
We'll see set ghost effect too.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And then, sir, where the moon has to be placed?
That is in the go to XY, right?
Okay, wait. Okay, sir.
Sir, what's next?
So let Karan completes the date thing. Karan, why your moon is not visible? Did you do any extra coding?
Yeah, that's why I was asking.
Just in the show one, just show your moon. Yeah, let's click over there. Why your moon is not visible? Okay, anyhow, go back to looks now for your moon?
Wait.
We are all doing coding for moon, okay? So let's only win the moon. Okay. Then let's put a wait of 4 seconds.
Okay.
Okay. Then we are going to drag and drop the repeat block from control.
Should we put it under or?
Yes, everything is under. So I'll let you know. Let's put it under. Repeat. And let's repeat it and we will test it how it looks. Let's repeat for 40 times for the time being. Let's repeat it 40. Now go to looks again.
Okay.
And drag and drop. There would be change block. Change block is there. Yeah, let's drag and drop. And over there, select brightness by effect
So
-2.
Where is
-2
change block?
in the looks itself.
Where in the look?
Looks there would be a change block, right?
There's change size and change color. I mean, change color effect by 25.
Yes, so if you just click on that drop down, you'll find the brightness option, right?
Yeah, so should I take the change effect by 25 or?
Effect by -2.
Okay.
Okay, everyone done this?
Yes, sir.
Then the next one would be again, take the change block and put it below that. Put change ghost effect by -1.
Done, sir.
Karan, for you, the first ghost effect, right? What is the value that you put? Says ghost effect. What is the value? I can't hear you, Karan.
250.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Make it 50, not 250. Make it 50. Okay, so everyone has done this or not? First of all, tell me.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
that's why it was being invisible.
Everyone has done this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
no? Okay. Then go to motion block.
Motion.
There would be a block by name change x by.
Change X. Yeah.
Yeah, just drag and drop underneath that and say change x by -2.
Sir, change X by?
-2.
-2.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, Divij, I'll come to you. Just make sure you're doing what he's doing. Okay, then I'll come to you. And then go to control
Okay.
and drag and drop wait block.
How many seconds?
0.3 seconds. Okay. Karan, do one thing. Can you bring your sun somewhere over here? What is your, when you, just click on your sun code first. What is your go to XY? X should be 13, Y should be 93.
Okay.
Make your X as 13, 1, 3.
So, but in that moon one, it is 130.
That's okay, right? So we'll see how it works, right? We can change it later on. Okay.
So, sir, should we put
Show
a
me the
green
code
flag?
for moon. Not yet. Wait. Everyone has done this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Divija, yes
sir.
is still. Divija, yes is still waiting.
Yeah, sir. Done.
Okay, Divija,
Just
please
I'm
share.
having one doubt.
Yeah, please
Bec-
share your screen.
okay. So what I'm having doubt, I don't want this slide to be this. I want that we are having I want that we are having a good like blue sky, or we are having a good sky, but then it goes darker and darker because if we see current screen, what we are having, we are not able to see the solar eclipse properly, as the moon is like it's
Yes,
not
so you're talking
that.
about backdrop, right? So when we come to backdrop code, then I'll tell you. Okay, but whatever we have done so far, just show me the code for moon. Okay, now everyone should put a green flag on top of all the sprites and then go full screen and show me how it is working.
Okay.
Um,
Sir, what about the sunglasses?
For everything you have to put. For sunglasses, you're showing them after 4 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Divija, please go full screen and show me.
yes.
Very nice, very good. So now we need to improve on your code. Your moon should cover the sun, correct? So go back to your moon
Sir,
code.
sir,
Okay,
like we have Kiran, no, and you place it properly. See it now.
very good. Very nice. Okay, now let's go back to your moon code.
Yeah, but I think it's too fast, solar eclipse is a little slowly.
Okay, let's go to your moon code. So instead of repeat, how many times you said repeat?
We have said 40
40.
times.
So now make it 50. Okay, and see like what happens now. Okay, still it is not covering. So you have to keep on changing your code. Okay.
No, no,
Finish.
sir. When we say repeat, when we, if I
Sir?
say it 70, sir,
Sir?
see if I,
1 second, let her complete.
sir, see, it's going a little forward, but
Yes.
I want it to go a little slower. So I
Yes.
think we should put wait more, I think.
No, this is not the weight, correct? Your weight will be under the repeat block. So you did
And
not added a repeat. You did not added a weight, correct? In the repeat block, you did not added
so
the weight.
over here, there
Over
is
here,
no
you
weight.
cannot. No. This weight will be there.
I slow.
In the repeat block, you have to add a weight as such. So other people may have added it
After this,
after change X now.
At last.
so I have to put it here also
Now just
or not?
remove this and put it over here.
Okay. I put it over here.
Weight blocks.
Remove this one, right? Just remove it. And start thinking why we are doing this, correct?
Yeah.
So now go your full screen and show me your code.
Sir?
Yes, I'll come to you, Sagarika. Let me see what happens to her. Okay, so she has to fix her code, something she has done. Okay, Divija, I'll come back to you. First, I want you to find it out, like looking at others, like what they have done, why your moon code is not working. It was working before, right?
Sir, should I
Okay,
Now
start
it's
very good.
working.
Yes, so you
And
have to
I
wait.
removed the
You have to wait for 0.2 seconds, not for how many seconds you're waiting.
2 seconds.
0.2 seconds, right?
Then let's
Sir,
see
it's
now.
0.3.
It's up to you. Like you want 3.3, 0.1. So whatever you feel it is good enough speed, you can put that. Okay. Divya, we have to start thinking, okay, why our code is not working. Okay, right. So let's
Sir,
put
I'm
this block.
having a problem here.
Yes, I'll come one by one. I'll come. Let's put this over here. No, not after repeat block. Inside the loop itself, right?
Yeah,
Very good.
I like I placed it over there only
Yes, but what is this
at the
value?
first time.
Yeah, what is this value?
2.
It should be 0.2.
Okay. Yeah, now it's working. Yeah.
Very good. Now,
What is like this? Yeah, sir.
very good.
But sir, I just want one. Like we are saying, I want my like every time when solar eclipse is there, we have a ring of fire. You know, so I want it to be like this. So
That
we
is
can
what. So
say,
you, yes, for that, you need to change your code, correct? You need to
yeah,
see, so probably you're starting at this particular position, Y. Change Y from 93 to 92. See it works, or 91, 90. Keep on changing this value to see how it can come into
okay,
center, right?
okay,
That,
I'll
that you
stop
need to,
sharing.
okay, thank you. Okay, who is the next one?
Sir, I had a problem.
Okay,
Sir, can I share?
let Karan share. Okay,
See, sir. It's coming under the sun.
okay. So in looks, go back to your code
Sir, why does his moon have spots?
because he put the spots.
Oh,
Wait.
Okay, okay. Now go to looks again. Go to looks. Search. Do we have something called as layer over here? Do we have any block which says layer?
Go to front layer.
Okay. Just drag and drop at the very start after you click the green button. Okay. And now see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now let me go to Sagarika's screen. Okay.
yes, sir.
Very good, Karan. Okay, Sagarika.
Yes, sir. Sir, should I make my moon bigger or should it stay like this?
First, let's fix. So your moon is not stopping, right? So we have to fix that repeat block.
Okay.
So how many times you're repeating? 50. So
Yeah.
let's repeat it 45 times and see whether your moon stops in between or not.
Okay. Sir, so when she's talking, the moon is a quarter way on the sun.
We'll see, right? So you have to keep on changing these numbers to find it out whether it is coming correctly or not. Okay.
Okay.
Now make
Sir?
it 42. Okay. So probably in 42 it will cover. Okay. So now let me go back to Karan again.
Okay.
Okay, Karan, please share. Okay, Karan. Now what we will do, we will wait. Karan, you did something. Okay.
So,
No, I actually. Okay, can you select any other backdrop, Karan? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let it be this backdrop. Whatever, like just
excuse
select.
me, sir.
Yes, Devija.
Sir, I just want to ask one thing. Like, it look nice when the ring of fire is made. Okay, because I love it too much. So, it can wait for 2 seconds. The ring of fire, and then the astronaut will say, "See how beautiful the ring of fire is looking."
Okay. All right. Okay, but now let's code further. Okay. So now for the people, don't do it, Karan. Don't do it. Let's. You did anything to the backdrop? Any
No.
costume you added? Sure. Show me your costume for the backdrop. Nothing. Okay. And nothing. Sure, right? Okay. Now we will do coding for the backdrop. Now go back to your backdrop. Click on your backdrop. Everyone has selected the backdrop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have selected the stars one.
Okay, so you can change your backdrop later, but just see as such. Okay, so whole idea is when moon is going to cover the sun, we have to change everything to dark. With me?
Sir, but
Yeah, sir.
but in my place, everything is already dark.
Then let's change the backdrop. Okay.
Okay.
So I think the stars one will look nice when the moon covers this. Like only stars are visible.
No, but first let's make sure that we select a backdrop. You can like change the backdrop later on also. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now what we need to do, go and drag and drop the wait block from control. We are doing coding for backdrop now. Okay. Wait for 4 seconds. Why 4 seconds? Because that sprite was talking for 4 seconds. Okay.
Yeah, what we will say? Wait.
4 seconds.
4. Okay.
You know why I'm talking of 4 seconds, right? Because when your program starts, that person speaks for 4 seconds, correct?
Yeah.
After that, just drag and drop the repeat block.
Okay.
Now make it repeat 45 times. And go to looks.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you are talking about the repeat one.
I can't hear you.
Sir,
What's that?
sir, you are talking about the repeat one when we say change brightness effect by -2, change ghost effect by -1. This one.
Now we are coding for backdrop now.
Yeah. But
We are done
what's the-
coding for the moon, right?
yeah, I'm saying what's the purpose of this repeat one?
Yeah, so we want to make backdrop as dark.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now go to looks and drag and drop the change block. Go to looks. Very good. And
Sir?
change brightness by -2.
Sir, 1 second. I just have to see the coding for the backdrop.
This one is a
Okay, so you can see what Karan is doing, right?
Yeah. So how repeat should be how much?
We'll start with 45. We'll see how it looks like in our code.
Okay.
And Karan, then go to control and drag and drop wait block. And say wait 0.1 second, okay. And put a green flag on top of it, then go full screen and show me how it all looks. Do it full screen as such. Very nice. Okay, so our moon is slow. It gets dark light. So we need to change our code for it. So instead of waiting for 0.1 second, let's wait for 0.2 second and see. For our backdrop
Sir, the
code.
moon should be smaller than the sun.
That is his wish, right? He wants his moon to be bigger, right?
Okay.
Still it is faster. Make it wait for 0.5 seconds, okay? Now let Sagarika share the code screen as such. And Karan, you can practice now, okay? Just to make sure it becomes perfect, okay? Okay, your backdrop is still the stars.
Yeah, sir, but wait. It goes dimmer and dimmer, and then all
Very
the
good.
stars go away.
Very nice. Okay. But we need to slow it down, okay?
Okay.
So it becomes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, mine is going fine, but I think I already have the one backdrop in which Sagarika is having. So I think I should change the backdrop. So like because I have this backdrop only. So when I am changing the brightness effect by -2, what is happening? Like it becomes all like stars are also not visible. It's becoming like black.
Because you're not put the weight block, right? You have to put a weight block also to slow it
No,
down, correct?
I have
Okay, you have to
placed the
share
weight
your
block.
screen. Sagarika, for you, just make wait as 0.3 second and then test, okay? Instead of
Okay,
0.1.
sir.
Karan, you did something new?
Yes, sir. May I start?
It
Yes,
looks
please.
like there is a hole in the sun.
It looks like solar eclipse only. Thank you. Very nice. This is how solar eclipse should be, right? Everything is getting dark. Okay. So you have to make your sun stop over there. Okay. Oh, sorry, you have to make your moon stop over there.
Yes, sir. It's stopped.
But it did not stop, right? So once it covers the sun, so you have to go and make coding change for the moon now. So moon, repeat how much time you're repeating that.
Sir, for covering the whole sun, I did repeat 150 for that. Change brightness effect by -2.
But let's do. So idea is that moon will come and it will cover the sun, then it will stay there. Okay. And when
Yeah,
it is stay there, then everything will be dark. Okay.
yeah.
And this is something, if you change your backdrop from a bright backdrop to a dark, then it gives much better effect.
Yeah, I want that only because when we have dark stars, and then
Then
it's going
But then
That's
change it.
the-
Yeah, so change, since you want to use astronaut, right? Change your backdrop to planets, right? So there's a planets also, correct?
Yeah, sir, but I'm not able to. I'm not able to choose which one shall I take. We can
Is there
also take
something?
nights,
Yes, you can take this one also.
but nights it is like it's night only now, so that's why I'm not able to.
Or take something, someone standing outside the school and
Yes,
then,
you can take some. Yeah, we can take some. Wow, this is looking nice. Which colorful city? Yeah.
but you have to first code for that backdrop now, right?
Yeah, now like you have to code Nandita. Yeah. So but it's that's we already have it.
We already, thank you. Yes, I forgot. But then you have to make, so instead of 45, right? You have to make it, instead of darkness, right? -2, make it more dark. Make it -3 or -4.
In the repeat one.
Yes, because it did not get dark, right? So it should be pitch black. This time nothing happened. So go back to your backdrops. Go to your backdrops first. Click on your backdrop, not
Yeah, we have it.
click on your backdrops. Delete this. Okay, and delete this also.
Yeah.
Okay, now go to your code. Okay, and now go full screen and show me again.
Yes. Sir.
And okay, sorry, go back to your code first. Go back to your code first. Make repeat as 40.
40.
And weight as 0.1.
0.1.
And let's see how it looks like. Do it full screen, please.
नानी देखो नानी देखो.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to slightly adjust the timings. Okay, but it's looking very good. It's getting dark. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And we need to stop this moon over here. So so moon code has to be changed
Over here now.
in the moon block. Okay.
Now we have to stop it.
Yes. Okay. Now let's go to Sagarika.
Yeah. So, but can you just help me for that one? Ring of fire. I just want.
Yeah. So your moon is crossing, right? You have to stop your moon. So in the moon block, you have repeat. So you have put repeat as 150. So instead of 150, put it 75, 60. See where the moon stops, correct? Are you with me?
Yeah.
So you have to change those numbers to see how your program is working. Okay,
So should I play?
Yes, please. Hi, I'm Sammy. Let's see solar eclipse. Oh, there's a music also. Very good. Very good.
So done.
But your backdrop code did not get all dark, right? Show me your backdrop code. Okay, click on the backdrop.
Yeah.
In the brightness effect by -2, make it -4 and see how it looks like. Okay, now let's show me again.
It's taking a lot of time.
Yeah, because we have put wait of 0.4 second, but it looks better now. It's getting darker, that's good. Okay.
Yeah, I'll make it 0.3.
Okay.
क्लास खत्म होना मुश्किल
Okay. All right. Okay, Karan, please share.
Sir, should I save my work or
Yes,
is there
please.
more?
Yeah, no, you can save your work. Okay.
excuse me sir
Yes, Deveja.
so at the repeat of 63 seconds at the repeat of 63 I have the moon in the middle of the sun. So, and after that, we have changed brightness effect by -2. Then we have changed ghost effect by -1. Then we have changed X by -2. Then we have wait of 2 seconds. So, after the wait of 2 seconds,
Okay, do one thing, Deveja. Let's look at Karan code. Okay. Karan, can you first show the code for the moon? And just cross check, Deveja, are you using the same blocks or not?
yeah, sir, everything is same.
Everything. Okay.
But just repeat one and then
Okay, show me your code, Deveja. Karan, you can save your work. Good job.
sir, this and
Okay.
but I think the man is a little big, you know, according to the city building. Yeah, so now it stops at the middle. Then I want it to like see.
But yours is perfect, right? You're getting a ring of fire.
Yeah. So then
I can't hear you.
sir, I am saying, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. See, after this wait of 2 seconds, I want again it to continue because I want the solar eclipse to be fully done.
Definition of fully done is that you want it again to be bright, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you have to repeat this block. Instead of brightness effect by -2, you will do it by 2. Ghost effect by -1, you'll do it by 1. So you will do it reverse way, right?
So we'll say change X by 2, then change ghost effect by 1, like that.
Correct, yes. So you will put one more repeat block and then you will do it, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, all right, then I'll talk to you next week, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye, Karan. Bye,
Bye.
Sagarika. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. And you can show this to your friends also, how to do solar
Okay.
eclipse. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.